Hi, my name is Exxon Jonathan Ruiz, and I'm going to tell you a poem titled The Oven Bird by Robert Frost. There is a singer everyone has heard, loud, a midsummer and a midwood bird, who makes the soil three strands sound again. He says that leaves are all, and that for flowers, mine summer is to spring as 1 to 10. He said the early petal falls is past, when pear and cherry bloom went down in showers. One summer day's a moment overcast, and comes that other fall we name the fall. He said that highway dust is over all. The bird will cease and be as other birds, but that he knows is singing not to sing. The question that he frames in all the words is what's to make of a diminished thing.